show you how to do oil change reset for the service light. This is a Mercedes E350. It's E-Class. So guys, the procedure is simple. You turn your key to position 1, but for those who have the key thing right there like that, you just tap it once, and then you tap it once, and then the car shows up like that. Then once it does that, guys, you make sure the car is showing that on the screen, just the mileage. And then what you do next is you press you press this right here is a pickup, the phone pickup, and then you press the OK together at the same time. And then once you do that, guys, you'll see a menu appear right there in the middle, right there where the mileage is. So guys, let's do it. Let's do that. So I'll just try and see how to hold this together and see if it'll work out well. So you just hold this right here and the OK together, and then I'll show you guys what next shows up after you do that right there. So guys, let me just pull this right here so I'll be able to see. So I press the call and the OK together, then wait for it, and then that shows up. So once that shows up, guys, you scroll down using this right here. You scroll down until you reach Assist Plus. So when you reach Assist Plus, you press OK. So it says what says there, service data. You say full service. You go there, you say full service, and then you press OK. And then it brings this menu saying service 2, service 3. So you go to confirm full service. And once you reach there, and then you pray OK. It says service carried out. You say no or yes. You scroll down to yes right there, guys. But make sure, guys, when you do this service thing, make sure you've done service to your car, so that, guys, you don't reset it and then you give the false information to your car and you end up damaging the engine by failing to do oil change in the right time, or you end up having a car with a lot of sludge in it, or just destroy your engine. So it's good to do this when you've already done that. So when it says service carried out, you say yes, you come to OK. Once you do that, you say confirm, so that once you've done that, there's no coming back from it. So you say, you go down, you say confirm right there, and then you press OK. Then it says service is being carried, service carried out. So once that says, guys, that means the service has been reset in your car. So guys, you're good to go. So I hope this video really helps you out, guys. So from there, you can just turn off your car. You can turn off, and then you can start your car normally, and then everything should be alright.